Hello everyone, my name is Keith Olson. I have the great pleasure of sharing my description of the emerging technology which is a Chrome extension for education called Share to Classroom. The first step is where we're at right now. We have to go to the browser and get to the web store, Chrome Web Store. Here we are. You can see I've already done that, Chrome Web Store. Now in this first window, we can type in Share to Classroom. We type in Share to Classroom, and what happens? All these extensions pop up. Share to Classroom is the top one. What we need to do next is to add to Chrome. I've already done that. And what happens is we get this icon in the upper right-hand corner right here. Click on that. And as the instructor, I've created a couple classes. I want to communicate to the students in Company Analysis Report Project Team Blue Jays. Click on that, and you can see that, well, we can go down here and push to students. You can see I've pushed a number of articles already to students, and we can also see what students have pushed to the instructor, received from the students. Wow, growing double knockout roses, growing knockout roses. That student's going to get an A for sure. Now what happens is I'm reading this article, inflation may take longer to reach Fed's goal after today's CPI report. Fantastic. We're going to study that all week. The students are going to be irresistibly engaged in this article. So I want to go and I want to push inflation may take longer to all the students in the class. There we go. What happens is we get this note. It's working. And then all of a sudden, and then this is what the students will see. Inflation may take longer. Article pops up. The students will get an email, and that's all good. So let's go in as a student into Share to Classroom. You can see all of these articles the students have received and pushed to teacher. This is the student that sent the roses, the article on roses. That's the student that's going to get an A. That is how this Share to Classroom works. Now, in the process of sharing...
In terms of the weakness in the CPI, did we learn anything? Like, is it all wireless telecom services? I mean, airline fares were actually...
And we're going to... What happens is I have sent a document to students, pushed, received from teacher, about Q&A, about Share, Q&A about Share to Classroom. Advantages: easy to use interaction, great interaction between students and instructors. Instructors can select specific classes with one click at the browser, and instructors can share websites that they're viewing, like we did, and push to students, and students can push articles back to the instructor. Negatives: need to get all the students to install Share to Classroom. That's critical. Non-Gmail accounts are difficult to set up. Works only in a Google system. How does the technology affect students' engagement and efficiency? Student engagement and efficiency regarding Share to Classroom is high. It's quick, it's easy, and it's great to get all the students and the instructor on the same page with documents. It's a module tool that works very good for instructors and for students. The Olson rating system into classroom using Share to Classroom using following criteria: irresistible, engaging. It gets a 4. Yes, it's engaging, it's easy, and so that works. Elegant, efficient. Yes, it's easy to use, very, very user-friendly, goes back and forth very quickly. Technology global. It is Google. In the Google environment, it's fantastic and works very well. Real-life problem solving gets a 4. It does address a lot of real issues within the classroom in terms of speed, in terms of efficiency, and in terms of communication between an instructor and students.